Today we're diving into some serious updates involving Jonathan Majors, the Marvel star, and some pretty intense court revelations. Grab your popcorn, hit like and subscribe, and enjoy.
For the black culture. I'm excited. I'm so excited for you. This is a major session for our culture. So
as excited about the Oakland sisters.
All right, so here's the deal. Text messages have been unveiled in court, read in court, shedding light on the troubling incident involving Jonathan Majors and his ex-girlfriend. These texts are pretty intense, discussing a plea not to seek medical attention for an injury. The text messages dating back to September 2022 paint a distressing picture. Jonathan allegedly begged his ex not to seek medical attention for a head injury, citing potential consequences and even threatening suicide if she did. And these revelations are definitely raising some serious questions. The courtroom is abuzz. Majors is facing accusations of attacking his ex-partner in a chauffeured car. The details from the text messages are being used as crucial evidence in this ongoing misdemeanor trial. So let's break it down. These texts show Majors allegedly urging his ex not to go to the hospital, raising concerns about potential investigations. The messages paint a distressing picture of fear and, dare I say, manipulation. He texted, "I fear you have no perspective of what could happen if you go to the hospital." He texted her on September 22nd, 2022, his ex-girlfriend, Grace Jabari. Then he said, "They will ask you questions. And as I don't think you actually protect us, as I don't think you actually protect us, it could lead to an investigation, even if you do lie and they suspect something." End quote. Jabari, who dated Majors for 2 years, texted back that she would tell doctors she bumped her head and that she would wait another day before seeking medical treatment. But she noted she was unable to sleep and needed stronger painkillers. Then she texted, "Why would I tell them what really happened when it's clear I want to be with you?" This is a little dark. I ain't gonna lie. The crazy messages were read on the 5th day of Major's misdemeanor trial in Manhattan criminal court, where the star is accused of attacking Jabari on March 25th after she grabbed his phone to view a text message from another woman. Some think that the text message was from Megan Good, but that's not, I don't know. I'm not seeing that in the write-up, but that's what people are saying. Jabari read the September 2022 message on her 4th day on the witness stand until a prosecutor took over when she began to cry. And we all know a white woman's tears is the kryptonite, if you will. They're golden. They're like, I'm sorry. This is a serious matter. And I feel like if Majors is indeed guilty of what he did, if he did this stuff, he should be held accountable for it. Or was I? She wrote him, "I would not go to the doctor if you don't feel safe with me doing so. I understand your fear." In the messages, the actor later accused Jabari of rejecting his life before threatening to take his own. "I'm a monster," open quote, "I'm a monster, a horrible man, not capable of living. I am offing myself soon," he wrote. "I've already put things in motion." Oh, he's unstable, ladies and gentlemen. He kind of has that look, but who are me to judge? Some of y'all will get that. Around that time, Jabari previously testified the couple lived in London while the actor was working. The previously sealed text messages about the September altercation in London were shown to the jury as quote-unquote background information for the prosecution's argument that Majors engaged in a cruel and manipulative pattern of abuse against Jabari throughout their relationship. Judge Michael Gaffery allowed the text to be shown to the jury after Major's defense attorney, Priya Chaudhry, she's popular, I've heard, grilled Jabari about not reporting her ex after a previous alleged assault. Details of the altercation or Jabari's injuries were not detailed in court. In an October filing, prosecutors revealed that they obtained a London Metro police report, medical records, and treatment information about a September 22 incident related to the case. Jabari previously testified that Majors threw himself on top of her after she grabbed his phone. It sounds like the Keke Palmer situation. Okay. And the old dude was taking her phone from. During the altercation, she testified Majors also grabbed her arm, placed it around her back, it's a wrestling move, and shoved her into the car. In opening statements, Chaudhry argued that Majors was the victim that night since he was the only person to leave the car with a bloody gash, scratch, and scared. That's quite interesting. Okay. Wow, this is taking quite the turn. I was all rah-rah for Jonathan Majors. I felt like this brother did not do this. It's another white gal accusing a brother of malfeasance, using her golden tears to have him prosecuted. And but now that I read this, these are facts. These are text messages actually read in court. Megan Good should really. Why would she be with a gentleman after all this come out? Does she stay in a relationship with him? Does she stay and wait for him to whoop her ass? What do you do in this situation? When this comes out in court, do you believe it? You have to. It's text messages. You have to. So he's actually basically admitting to being physical with his ex and begging her not to go to the hospital because it'll create an investigation. And if she does, he's going to kill himself, off himself. Take himself out, unalive, they try to say. We got to say on YouTube. Sorry, I got to back. Unalive is the term. What are your thoughts, ladies and gentlemen? What are your thoughts? I'm Lamb. This is the Black Hollywood Report. Make sure you hit subscribe because we're going to talk more about this. Peace out.
For the Black culture. Excited, I'm so excited for you. This is a major discussion for our culture. So
Be as excited